Hi everyone, my name's Sarah. I'm one of the exercise physiologists here at BJC Health. I thought I'd do a short video for you today about how to use the rowing machine properly. The rowing machine you'll find in most gyms. We have one in the clinic here as well. It's a wonderful piece of kit that trains lots of different muscle groups at once. It's non-weight bearing, which is fabulous. But again, a lot of the time it comes down to technique. The rower can be done really poorly, so I thought I'd just give you a couple of my tips and tricks as to how to make sure you use the rower properly. So I don't know why, but I've come up over the years with a cupcake analogy to help break down appropriate rowing technique. So bear with me, you might be a little confused for now, but again, this analogy helps me really break down the different parts of rowing technique to different clients, and just like a good cupcake, great rowing can make you feel good. So let me take you through it. So make sure when you set up, these things are adjustable. So if you've got really big feet, you're gonna need to be right down the bottom. I don't have really big feet, so I'm gonna go level 2. I make sure my feet are firmly strapped in. This is also important because again, it's gonna help you really leverage and use the strength in your legs appropriately. So back to my cupcake. So the biggest part of a cupcake, or what typically makes or breaks a cupcake, is the filling, is the stuff that makes up the biggest part of the cupcake. Now in a row, that's actually your legs. A lot of people think, oh, surely rowing's all about the arms. Incorrect, my friends. It's all about your legs. Your legs should provide the most power, the most strength to set up a wonderful rowing technique. So the base of your cupcake is what you do with your legs. Now, what's next on a cupcake? Icing. Now, icing's gonna be good as well. It's not as important as the base, but still really crucial to get right. So in a rowing stroke, I think your icing is what you do with your trunk. So far we have base of cupcake, legs, legs, legs. Trunk is my icing. Now, what's the most important part of your cupcake? The sprinkles. Your arms are the sprinkles. So it's legs, trunk, arms, in that order, very important. Legs, trunk, arms. And so I'll go a little faster now. Obviously I've got to put it together. Like anything, obviously making a good cupcake, learning how to row takes lots of practice. Be prepared to burn a few batches of cupcakes. Work with your trainer, your exercise physiologist to help you reinforce this technique. But that's how I break down how to use the rowing machine. Happy cooking!